If you're from Spokane, you've probably heard of Chef Ian Wingate. As a successful restaurateur in the area, his culinary talents have fed many people in Spokane, and his newest adventure takes his expertise even further. Outsider is Chef Ian's dream kitchen.
I kind of call it my retirement job.
Your retirement job, because this is like your dream, the dream
Exactly,
restaurant?
yeah. I built the kitchen around like how I wanted it to invite guests into my home.
He has a certain style, a lot of fresh vegetables and seafood and quality without being too pretentious.
Spokane legend.
I knew it was going to be a treat.
With an incredibly relaxed and friendly atmosphere, Outsider is serving up some amazing food. The way Chef Ian approaches his menu is by focusing on fresh, local ingredients first. From there, everything else just comes together.
I don't really have a game plan what I'm going to make or what dish I'm going to do, but when I see something that inspires me, then it goes from there.
Yeah.
My favorite farmer here in Spokane is Dan Jackson with Jackson Farms. He grows the best tomatoes literally in the United States.
Oh, Dan.
And his little cherry tomatoes, it's like people that don't like tomatoes, you eat one of those, it's like eating candy.
Just fresh, real, authentic food.
The hidden gem in the city.
Don't go anywhere, because later in the show, Chef Ian and I will make a special Columbia River steelhead dish with local veggies.
So I'm going to have you chop some parsley here.
Okay. He's like, stop talking, start chopping.